Hi friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Let's prepare lychee pudding. I found fresh lychees being sold in Chennai and I purchased a whole batch of it. It was very nice and fresh. Try to use fresh lychees. Wash the lychees thoroughly, then peel them. Using a knife, you just slit the lychee and remove the seed. Reserve the flesh in a bowl. So I took approximately a bowl of lychees for this recipe. Now, once you clean this, reserve it. You can use canned lychees, but the taste might vary. Try to use fresh ones for this recipe. So, I'll use half the amount of lychees to grind. In a mixer jar, I've added half the amount of lychees. Using 2 to 3 teaspoons of water, I ground it into a smooth paste. Now, in a small vessel, I've added approximately 4 tablespoons of sugar and 1.5 cups of milk. I'll bring this to a rapid boil. The sugar has to melt. So once the sugar has melted, I diluted 1.5 teaspoons of corn flour and with water, and I mixed it with the boiling milk. Now the base is ready. The pudding base is ready. I'll be adding the ground lychee once the pudding is cooled down slightly. Once it's slightly warm to the touch, that's when I've added the ground lychee. Once it's completely come to room temperature, that's when I've added chopped almonds and the whole lychees, and I'll refrigerate it. This lychee, I added some extra milk to dilute it and it became watery, the pudding. So don't do the mistake which I did. I served it cold. It was nice and tasty.